How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to talk about will push-ups increase your bench press. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So we'll first start off, the number one way to increase your bench press. The number one way is to actually bench press. That is the simplest way. Another thing too is adding body weight or gaining muscle. Believe it or not, your bench press and your body weight are very correlated. So most of the times you won't see someone with a ×2 bench press, a ×2 body weight bench press, unless they're a really elite bencher. For example, if you're say 200 pounds, you would have to be benching 400 pounds. That's not very common. In elite powerlifters, might be common if they're bench press specialists, but most of the time, most people won't have a ×2 body weight bench. So what'll happen is, let's say your body weight is 185 pounds and you bench 225. Simple way to raise your bench press, really easy, is to get to 200 pounds body weight. Your bench press would probably shoot up by 50 pounds to about 275, 280 very easily. So that's what you can do if you want to increase your bench press. But we're going to talk about push-ups. Will push-ups increase your bench press? Not really. The reason why, unless you're super weak. If you are super weak and you can bench press like maybe 65 pounds, 75 pounds, if you increase your push-ups, your bench press might get to 95 pounds or 100. But your bench press, if it's stuck, say 135, by doing push-ups, it will never get to 225. I 110% guarantee you, it will not increase your bench press to this high amount. It might increase it 10, 20, 30 pounds, but it's not going to be the best. Again, the reason why is because push-ups, eventually you will hit a point where you can just do so many push-ups nonstop, and you might be thinking, oh, that's awesome, I can do 40 push-ups in a row. Not really, because the best way to build muscle or to gain strength is actually staying in that lower rep range. 5 to 10 reps is the best way for building muscle. 3 to 5 reps is the best for increasing weight on the bar. So if you're doing 50 repetitions for push-ups, that's not really going to help increase your bench press. So that's my take on it. Again, it can help your bench press a little bit, but you're not going to see a huge difference. Like, your bench isn't going to go from 135 to 350 just by doing push-ups. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.